all day. The half hour's okay.
Yeah, we understand it's maintaining plan of things to run as fine, no problem. Run as fine as your Papa Roger. I'll give you a call back to the next one as soon as I can at the moment, so we don't know what the delay is. Thank you.
Pan Virus 1, okay, that's the instructions. Pan Virus 1, vacate next left at Charlie. Okay, Pan Virus 1. That's Pan Virus 2, we're happy to land with 1 on it, get carried. Virus 2, land after the hawk in front, 180 degrees, 4 knots. Good land, Virus 2.
Light clearance to enter the traffic light tree, cross the runway via Delta and follow the aircraft once it's passed.
Okay, fire 1 cross runway, traffic light 3 to Delta.
Fire 1, cross runway 12, traffic light 3 to Delta. Can we have a green, please?
We'll pick up our planned track just in another 10 miles or so. 56. Fire formations all active. Just try again on the landline.
Tower 56, do you require a runway inspection before any more departing aircraft?
56, what's your position?
Hotel, sir.
56, enter runway 12 at hotel.
Runway 12 at hotel, thank you.
Restore 91 Charlie Whiskey, stand 9. 91 Charlie Whiskey, hold position. 91 Charlie Whiskey. Cardiff, Virus 1 has got the fire engines on Delta.
Golf, Roger. Repeat in your current position and I'll call you back when I can.
We'll go, Golf. Virus 1 cross runway 12 Delta to hotel. We'll be parking on the Cambrian apron, which will be in your 1 o'clock as you vacate. Cross runway 12 at Delta, that's copy, thanks Virus. Virus 2 also via Delta, cross runway 12 to hotel and parking on the Cambrian. Virus 2 across the hotel after company traffic.
Tower Fire 1, light clearance for Fire 1 and Fire 2 to follow the aircraft across runway 12 Delta to hotel.
Fire 1 and Fire 2 cross runway 12 Delta hotel.
Tower security mobile.
Security mobile, standby. Now Virus 1 has the marker in sight, thank you. That's now Virus in citation. Virus, Roger.
It's just being completed at the moment, so hopefully we should get the nod that it's serviceable in the next few minutes. Just continue in the hold and I'll bring you on as soon as I can.
That's lovely. Thank you very much, Runner 50 Papa. We still have 5 minutes able in the hold before the bus.
Roger.
3.
Golf Lima Golf, you can set course not above altitude 1,500 feet to route north of Flatholm Island. Is your read up back clear to enter not above altitude 1,500 feet north of Flatholm towards Lebanon point to hold?
It went north above 1,500 feet and holding at Lebanon point.
That's correct, north of Flatholm. Cardiff, remain outside, call you back.
Good morning, Jefferson.
Cardiff.
Golf Lima Golf, position left hand downwind for runway 12, QFE 1014.
Sorry, just on the phone a second, sir. Ready for the flight, sir. Good day, Tango 67, thank you. Runway 12, clear takeoff, 120 degrees, 4 knots. Takeoff, 67.
What's that air traffic control, that is it? He's up.